Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in heavy machinery. Today, we've got something incredible for you, the 2025 excavator machine. If you're into construction, heavy equipment, or just love watching powerful machines at work, this one's for you. Stick around as we take a deep dive into its performance, features, and everything that makes this beast stand out from the competition. Let's start with the design. Right off the bat, you can see that the 2025 model has been given a futuristic makeover. It's got a sleeker body, improved hydraulic lines that are better protected, and LED lighting all around for those late-night jobs. And let's talk about the paint job. It's rugged, scratch-resistant, and built to withstand extreme conditions. This is not just a machine, it's a statement. Now, what powers this monster? Under the hood, we've got a high-performance, fuel-efficient engine that produces more power while consuming less fuel. That means lower operating costs and a smaller carbon footprint, making it an environmentally friendly choice for companies looking to go green. And if you're worried about emissions, don't be. This excavator meets the latest global environmental regulations. The hydraulics have seen a major upgrade. The new system delivers faster cycle times, smoother operation, and more precision than ever before. Whether you're digging, lifting, or loading, this machine responds instantly to operator commands, making work faster and more efficient. And check this out, advanced load sensing technology automatically adjusts hydraulic flow based on the task at hand. That means no wasted power and optimal performance at all times. Let's hop into the cab, because this is where things get really exciting. The interior has been completely redesigned for operator comfort and convenience. The seat is fully adjustable with memory settings, the controls are ergonomically placed, and the new touchscreen display puts everything you need right at your fingertips. You can monitor fuel consumption, check maintenance schedules, and even control attachments with just a few taps. Speaking of attachments, this machine is more versatile than ever. It's compatible with a wide range of tools, from hammers and augers to grapples and compactors. Quick couplers make swapping attachments a breeze, so you can switch from one task to another without losing valuable time. And let's not forget the new AI-powered assistance system. This smart tech helps operators work more efficiently by offering real-time tips and even preventing potential mistakes before they happen. Safety is always a top priority, and the 2025 excavator is loaded with features to keep operators and job sites secure. It's got 360-degree cameras, proximity sensors, and an automatic braking system that kicks in if an obstacle is detected. Plus, the new stability control system ensures the machine stays balanced even on uneven terrain. No more worrying about tipping or instability when working in tough conditions. Now, let's talk numbers. The digging depth has been improved, the lifting capacity has increased, and the overall efficiency has gone up by nearly 20% compared to previous models. That means more work done in less time, which translates to bigger profits for construction companies. And with remote diagnostics, maintenance is easier than ever. Mechanics can access system reports and even troubleshoot issues remotely, reducing downtime and keeping the machine running at peak performance. So, who is this excavator for? Whether you're a contractor, a construction company owner, or an operator looking for the latest in heavy equipment technology, this machine is a game changer. It's powerful, efficient, and designed to tackle any job with ease. If you're thinking about upgrading your fleet, this might just be the perfect investment. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick test. Watch as we put this machine through its paces, digging, lifting, and operating with precision. Look at that speed, look at that control, this is next-level engineering at its finest. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 excavator? Would you want to see a side-by-side comparison with other models? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Your YouTube script is ready. Let me know if you need any tweaks or additional details.